Hi everyone, it's Bill and Ben Productions here. Today, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Mei and Rajiv set. But before we unbox it and review it, we're going to take a look at the box first. Here's the box. It comes with an Airplane Thomas, Mei and Rajiv. Let's take a look at the back of the box. It shows you how to put the batteries on the engines, and I noticed that the airplane wings on Thomas is removable, and you have to put stickers on Thomas's airplane wings. Let me show all of you the sides of the box. It shows pictures of the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Mei and Rajiv. I just want to let all of you know that I'm done showing all of you the box, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. So here is Airplane Thomas with removable airplane wings. I kind of find it cool how the airplane wings are removable, because you can have a normal Thomas and an airplane Thomas at the same time. And I'm gonna put the stickers on Airplane Thomas right now, but I'm gonna do it off camera just to let all of you know. I just added stickers onto Airplane Thomas, and I really hated how you had to put on stickers on Thomas's airplane wings, because they're so difficult to put on. And what if you accidentally make a mistake? Like putting the stickers in the wrong place. Here is Hong Mei. She looks nice. Here's Rajiv. I noticed that the Plarail Rajiv is unmotorized. Maybe because he's reading Takero or something. But I forgot what reading Takero is. But if you know the names of the Plarail unmotorized engines that have like the ringing bells, tell me or let me know in the comments. Since the Plarail Rajiv is unmotorized, I think he probably has a ringing bell inside him. Let me see and find out. When I push him or free roll him. Oh yeah, he does ring. But I don't like how the Plarail Rajiv is unmotorized. And it'll be nice if he was motorized. And I'm gonna put batteries inside the Airplane Thomas and Hong Mei right now. Let me see if the Airplane Thomas runs. He does run. I'm gonna put a battery inside Hong Mei right now. I just noticed that the Plarail Hong Mei uses the same chassis as the Plarail Rosie, and I can tell because of the screw right in the middle, and the chassis looks like the Plarail Rosie's chassis. Let me see if Hong Mei works when I turn her on. She does work. I just want to let all of you know that I'm gonna give the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Hong Mei, and Rajiv a run around the tracks right now. But when I give the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Hong Mei, and Rajiv around the tracks, they're gonna be running on my big layout that I built. Just to let all of you know. Here is the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Hong Mei, and Rajie running on my big layout that I built. Hong Mei is pulling Rajie since Rajie is unmotorized, and you can hear some screaming noises coming from Rajie. And I had to take down Nafford Station from my big layout that I built because the airplane wings on Airplane Thomas keeps hitting the poles on Nafford Station. I just want to let all of you know that I give the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Hong Mei, and Rajiv set a 5 out of 10 because we have to put stickers on Thomas's airplane wings, and the Plarail Rajiv is unmotorized. But I hope all of you enjoyed the unboxing, review, and run video on the Plarail Airplane Thomas, Hong Mei, and Rajiv set. And this is Bill and Ben Productions, signing out.